All right, guys. What's up? What's up? Looking at some stocks today. As always, we'll look at the S&P 500 first. On hourly, as you see here, we opened up, kind of moving down, but on a higher time frame. So you have the daily, kind of just going sideways right now. 4 hour, still heading up, but kind of moving sideways. If anything, that's a lower high, and now we're confirming the lower high. If we sell off today, we'll close below 2700. That's a guaranteed. On the hourly, it just looks like we are selling off here. If we stay above this area here, that's the 618. And the six, how did I get that? Is the 618 from the highest point here back in September, I believe, and then down to the lowest point here. So we're right on the 618. If we were to use the Fibonacci on the big picture, that's where it has came up before and it struggled to break above this. It broke above this here, consolidated sideways. So that is what we're looking at now. Breaking it down a little further on the 15-minute, if you play this now, it looks like just chopping right now sideways on the 2700. So if you were to play this on the daily, day trade, I would look to enter 2705, and I'd have my stop probably right at 2700. Yeah. Really, if it breaks, actually 2703, if it breaks that, then it's going to make a lower point. So this is a demo count, but I actually went long here the other day a while back. So I'm still long at 2700 technically on my demo, just for fun. So up like, I don't know. I don't even know. It's just a little fun position there. Looking at, so S&P 500 as of right now, we're making higher lows. We will need to stay above 2700. First time it breaks the 27 really 03, that's a sell. Right now, what I would do right now would be a nice position to go long and then take profit, scalp it to 2708, and then see what happens at 2708. Put your stop right below it at 2700, and then if you get stopped out, you maximize your position, because if not, it would have broke out on the actual play itself. Should play it right now. So we'll see what the S&P 500 does as of right now. On the hourly, you can see it as a lower high, or you can see it as a higher low. You see how we're kind of candling up? So really, I would have liked it to stay above 2710 for an actual uptrend to be confirmed, but whatever. Kind of just not moving very fast. Oil, this was pretty awesome. Look at this oil chart here. Let's look at a fresh one, actually, guys, because I like doing that. That's fun. Let's see. Here's a fresh one. Cool. Oh, these are from yesterday. Yesterday. Sunday stock talks. Hello. How did our zones hold up? I didn't even see this. Pretty good. Look at that. It closed just below it. Just below it. Oh, that's close. So sorry for all those that got stopped out if you were putting your stop too close. Honestly, obviously, I would have had my stop. I guess that's another area right here. Yeah, I guess because UWT is the play and you're playing this long, I would have just wait for the confirmation on this one. I wouldn't have tried timing the bottom because it's just been constantly selling off. So I would have waited for that bounce and a close in this, see how it bounced up here. And then this is exactly what I did today, actually, because I played UWT. I actually caught it a little. I was watching the 15-minute, and I saw this bounce. I come back up, and then a retest. And I actually bought it at the retest down here and had my stop right below here, this pivot here. And it rallied just right back up. And once it came to this area here at the top, I actually, right here, I actually hedged with DWT, thinking it would actually, no, not here, actually. No, I did. DWT here. And I thought as a hedge, just small position. And then I believe on the 5-minute, it did play there. Yeah, I saw this, and then I saw it not wanting to break this level. And I pretty much got stopped out there. So that was that, because I thought this was just going to be another higher low. And if it worked out perfectly on the hourly, you would see that. It would have been right here. and it would have been a higher low sell off. But once we broke that, I just added more to UWT, and obviously you can see it worked out pretty well. So really, I think this is the bottom for oil as of right now. If I was to take, you're going to see a pullback. Anyone who's not in it, you're going to see a pullback right here, pretty major area here. I'm looking to take profit possibly in this area here, but you could really swing this longer. Once it breaks above this, you're going to see this thing move a lot faster because that's going to be the confirmation of definitely an uptrend. Just needs to break above this level because we made these the other day, and on the 4-hour, you can definitely see it a lot clearer why this is an area to be aware of. So just multiple touches there. So for those in UWT, if you want to just day trade it, take profit here at the 52. And you can play DWT there because it's going to happen. We're probably going to see a pullback right now. Yeah, right here. You're going to see a pullback here. We're going to see a pullback for anyone who's looking to enter. That would be your confirmation. And I would enter it. Let's see. If I was in this long, because I am, I would have my stop. Because I entered it down here. Really, if you enter it now, your stop's the same as it would be if you entered down here, because that's just the way you play it. A stop right here, 52. Like if it breaks that, that's a new lower low. So oil looking bullish, playing it. Break above this zone. I'll probably swing this one to be honest with you, and look to take profit. Let's take a look here, guys. We got our areas here. That's a pretty. That's going to see a touch there, and obviously a touch there as well. And I'm just looking at the candle bodies there. Touch, touch, nice. So that's going to be an area to be aware of, as well as over here. And let's see, where's supply and demand looking? Looking like where's I would say right there. That's going to be our next area to really watch out for. So cool. Break above this, we're headed up to the 53. So we'll see. As of right now, look at us do that pullback we're talking about. We need to now. I'm still in it. I'm not going to stop out. If I wanted to hedge it, I could hedge it right now, but I'm pretty set right now. Stay above this area here. We can't sell. It would be really nice if we just made a base right here like we did over here. That'd be nice. Yep. You see how we bounced over here? So if we bounce now in this area, that'd be great. Anyways, I spent too much time on this one. UWT is the play. Sorry. Spent too much time. Go back, because since we spent so much time, we might as well go back and see what else is going on. SPY still not doing much. Just moving sideways. All right, now we'll look at natural gas, and I got a cleaner chart for that. I just deleted all my other crap. Natural gas on the 1 hour right now. Gapped up over the weekend. I was in Ugaz over the weekend, guys. I said it was 50-50, but it looked like it was breaking this resistance here, and that's what I was playing. It would have been a perfect entry for DGAS, but because it was a swing and I had all this momentum, I was in Ugaz. So looking at it now, we are holding this level. We need to stay above this level where this gapped up to. Yep, that's going to be pretty major. And where's this base it's holding right now? Let's see here, guys. This is the 1 hour. Right there. It's not a major level, but gap fill to there. And if we're looking at this on a daily, if we're playing this on the daily, you go to 15-minute. Thank you, computer. And yeah, look at that. We need to, it looks like we're not doing so hot right now because we really needed to hold this area here. Yeah, I'd say Ugaz. Right now, it looks like this is a Ugaz entry because of over here it's a support. But once, I mean, look at that. That's pretty scary right there. Came all the way down to here. Yeah, that's looking like a Ugaz play. You're a little late to the party if you're in Ugaz. If you were to enter Ugaz now, your stop would still be up here. So if you were to enter Ugaz, obviously it would be a little better of a play as of right now for a bounce play, just a sort of short little scalp. And it would be Ugaz here, stop right here. That's how close. See how the risk reward for Ugaz right now is a better chance for the bounce, but it is not showing in favor. So you're kind of going against the trend, but in a picture, you're not going against the trend because this is bullish. A gap up is bullish. Like anyone that say that's not is kidding themselves. We can almost draw a trend line right here. Right there. Let's see if we can make a better one. Trying to get as many touches as I can. That's pretty steep. We'll see what happens. It looks like it's respecting it pretty much. There. So we need to break above this. Otherwise, it's DS. I'm not going to sit here and tell you to enter you guys because that's stupid. Look at this. This has no potential of going up at this moment. We're just making higher lows. And because we broke this over here, yeah, I would definitely be stopped out of you guys. So that's for natural gas right now. It looks like we're going to have the gap fill here soon. So that's pretty cool for those who are playing that. Yep, not looking so great on even this chart here. This one's a little cleaner. Still a different platform. But yeah, we need to hold this pivot. Hold this pivot. That would make sense. Hold that area. Hold down. Hold down. All right. Looking at gold next. This was awesome. I shorted this over the weekend. I actually was in JDST, and like I said, this was a 50-50 shot gold because of this. Look at this. Perfect. Then another. This was like it was starting to form this higher low stuff. It's just kind of 50-50 on that. But then the market was strong, and then it just sold off, and that's where I was like, "Yep, double down." Shorted gold futures directly. Once this opened up yesterday and saw a little bit of a pullback down, I was like, "Yeah, that's definitely bearish as heck." So I just held it all the way down here and just trailed my stop. Stopped out this morning. Gold futures, as of right now, it looks like we're kind of doing this like pennant, like this little flag. It looks like a bull flag, actually. I think that's what that is. I don't really play patterns. I just am aware of them. So we need to break up or down of this area. Right now we're sideways. So that's pretty cool. Whoops. That didn't work so well. There we go. I guess if we were to draw that, it would be looking like that. And looking like that. So, yeah. See what happens here. Break out of one of these areas, hopefully confirm, and then either go up or down. Right now, it's still looking like bearish because, wow, on the 15-minute looks bullish because we're making this higher low. But big picture, hourly, that is bearish. That is a new lower high. See how that is? Big picture is more weight. So what I'd be waiting for right now, I still would be in JDST. And on the 15-minute, I would be in JDST and stop would be right above here. But you're in the middle. So this is kind of like Russian roulette. But JDST, if I'm still in it, I'm holding it. And if it breaks really, it starts to trending off here, I'm gonna cut it, switch to Jnug. But as of right now, that is the play. So gold looking like a sell, but we're in this major area that it's bounced at many times, especially if you look on the 4-hour. So bounce at the same area. We're just kind of figuring ourselves out. Higher, low. Yeah, gold still looks like a sell. Just be careful in these areas, especially with the market. See, that's the thing. Like the market just got to depend on what the market is, the news. That's a tricky one. Gold still is a sell. So gold is a sell. Summarize U.S. oils a buy, and as you see here, that was your pullback entry to enter. See how that worked perfectly? That's why I don't want to. I'm not even hedging because that's what I assumed would happen. And if it didn't, I was going to get stopped out with a profit. Natural gas definitely a sell. It's going to fill the gap. Anyways, guys, if we're looking at any stocks, Tesla would be one. Gapped up. I was saying it held this 300 level, which was great, but on the bigger picture, it was making new lower highs on the hourly. So that's why I did hold it. But it was only 5 shares, so I made like $60. It's kind of bummer because I had about like 30 shares. Still made a profit. It was $2.90. I sold it at 308, 307, something like that. And I was in at $2.90 swinging it, but then it sold off the other day. So that's that for right now. We'll recap everything else. I'll send some stuff up on the Discord group chat, but I just want to get these major ones in. Anyone playing Forex? I am in USD long, mainly because gold is selling off. Holding this level, stop loss here. Stop loss there. So that's cool. Try to be sporadic. Apple on the 1 hour. Sideways, new lower high. Needs to hold this area. Cron. No, actually, CGC was the one I'm playing today. If it loads here. Look at that thing selling off. Let me check my orders here. Yeah, that's not bullish at all. Definitely not bullish. I already sold my Ugaz position, so that's fine. Oil's doing good. Let's see here. Well, if this doesn't want to load. Figuring itself out. S&P 500. Looking like it's trying to sell off. Chopping sideways. Oh, well. Yeah, it's not bullish at all. Stopped out of Ugaz if you wanted to buy that. Oh, well, it's not loading. Anyways, guys, I'll give you an update here right now. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like me to break down any of your tickers, let me know. I'll post this one in our Discord chat, what I see in CGC. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you all later. Peace out.